And how are you today? This is teacher Stephen. So I hope you are doing great. Let's start our today lesson. Are you ready for that? All right, let's get started. Okay, today we are talking about the baby animals. Let's continue from the previous lesson. Look at these two horses. Can you have a look? We got a big horse and we got a small horse. A big horse is called a mother horse, right? So mother horse. How about the baby horse? What do we call a baby horse? A baby horse is called a foal. Can you say a foal? Right. So a baby horse is called foal. So let's color the baby animal. Which one is the baby animal? A horse or a foal? It must be a foal. Let's color the foal with me. Let's get started. Color it. The foal is colored now. You got it. Yes. You see? Next one. Look. Let's color the baby animals. We got two bears. We got a big bear and a small bear. The big bear is a mother bear, right? It's a mommy bear. How about the baby bear? The baby bear is called can you remember that? A baby bear is called a cub, right? A bear cub. So, which one is the baby animal? The big one or the small one? The small one is a baby animal. It's a baby bear. We call a cub, right? So let's color the baby animals. Let's color with me. Yes, color it. See? We color the baby animal. Next one. Color the baby animals too. What are these animals called? They are called dogs. All right. They are called dogs. Yes, these are dogs. So, which one is the baby animal? Which one is the baby dog? The skinny one or the small one? It is a little one, right? It's a baby dog. What do we name a baby dog? What do we call it? A baby dog? A baby dog is called a baby dog is called a what? A baby dog is called a puppy. So let's color the puppy. See? Puppy is colored. So we got a dog and a puppy. A mommy dog is still a dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Can you say dog, puppy? Good. Next one, count the baby animals and circle the correct number. All right, let's count with me. Let's count. Okay, how many puppies are there? 1, 2, and 3. Wow, there are 3 cute puppies. They are so cute. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Which one is number 3? First one or second one? It's the second one, so circle number 3. See? Circle the puppy. 3 puppies. So together there are 3 puppies. Next one. Let's count baby cats. Baby cats. How many baby cats are there? And what do we name baby cats? Baby cats are called, or young cats are called kittens. Okay, so how many kittens are there? 1, let's count with me. 1, 2 here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 kittens, right? There are 5 cats, 3 yellows and 2 grays. So let's circle number 5. Is this number 5? No, that's number 6. How about this one? It is. It's number 5. So let me circle number 5. Okay, let's circle it. 5. There are 5 kittens. Good. Next, let's count the baby animals. Okay. Look, both are babies, but just a bit bigger babies and smaller babies. So we got 2 folds here. 1 and 2. So there are 2 folds. A baby horse are called foals. Good. So 1, 2. So we got 2 folds. Let's circle number 2. Is this number 2? Yeah, if it's number 2, circle number 2. So 2 folds. Good. How about the cubs? It's a baby bear. How many cubs are there? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 cubs. Good job. So 5. Okay, we got 5 cubs. And the cubs are all browns. Which one is number 5? Can you tell me? Here. Okay, 5. So let's circle number 5 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 cubs. Good. Okay. Good job, kids. Thanks for watching. I think you can do your worksheet for today. All right, keep practicing, speak English, and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.